How to reset your Google Chrome without reinstall on Windows 11 or 10. In order to reset your Google Chrome without reinstall, go inside the Google Chrome, and at the top right corner of the screen you can see the three dot icon. Click on it, and after that go to settings, and after you go to settings, go to the reset settings right here at the left side of the screen, right, the section. Go to the reset settings, and after that click on restore settings to their original defaults, and after you do that click on reset settings, which will reset your settings to some extent, not completely. So in order to reset your Google Chrome completely, what you can do is close the Chrome, and now hold the Control and Shift key and click on escape. After that your task manager will open up, then make sure to go to Google Chrome right here and right click on it. After you do that, you can simply click on end task, and that should pretty much work out. The next option what you can try out is hold on the Windows key and click on R. After you do that, type %local app data. Make sure that you type it in a single word, and after that % again and click on OK. Go to your Google folder right here. Go to Chrome, go to user data, and in this default section right here, right click on it, and either you rename it or just delete it completely. So I recommend renaming the folder, which will reset your Chrome without reinstallation. And if you feel like you want to return back to your data again, then make sure that you have your Google account synchronized to your Google Chrome. So even if you lose any of the data, then after you switch back to your Google account, then that data should pretty much be restored. In order to sync your Google account, what you need to do is go to the three dot icon right here, go to settings, go to you and Google section right here, and make sure that you click on the sync now option. So after that your Google account and your Chrome will be synchronized, and you'll be able to recover your data even if you reset your Google Chrome. So that's how we do it. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Thank you very much.